Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make transparency border to image in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make transparency border to an image. Firstly, insert an image. Go to the Tools section, then find and select the Place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then please place this picture to this image. Then select the picture and click the stroke option and choose any color. Then select the white and increase the white. Then again go back the stroke color option and make the stroke color transparent. To use this opacity, then click outside of the picture. Then we can see this picture border is transparency border. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.